seem to always be lighting things on fire. All right, so here's where we sit. Let me grab my tongs. We'll go through it. I'll walk you through it. Started with this ball bearing race. Took that off. Cut this in half. Cha-chow. All right. 52-100, good steel, right? Nice and thick, angled. Got it flattened out, which you saw. So now we're flattened out to here. And I put two tips on, all right? Broad, making two 4-inch hunters, 4 to 5-inch hunters, depending on how the steel works out. With a nice Bowie kind of look and maybe a little bit of drop point. Not really a drop point, no, but I mean a clip point. So I'm making two. It's going to be hidden tang, and I'm going to cut this in half and start forging out the tang and get things right. I might cut a little bit of it, but most of this is forged so far. And I'm probably going to just cut the tang out and then shape it real quick in the forge afterwards. But there you go. I just want to make sure I can get two out of this, so I'm going to be a little bit more precise than I normally would with just forging. So getting to work, it's happening. Things are going well. Also on today's projects, I've got, if I can find it, here we go. I made up this big boy the other day out of a piece of spring steel, forged it out, and it turns out it's a little bit fatter than it should be. So I'm going to thin this out some. This handle's a little bit bigger than I want. Shorten it up a bit, thin this up a bit. This is like 2 1/4. I'm going to bring it down to right at 2 at the base and bring this well up just a little bit more. Other than that, not much work with this. All grinding. I'm going to put the bevels in, get this heat treated, hopefully get these two fully beveled and ready for heat treat. And if I do this right, I should have 4 knives today to heat treat and be done with in actually not that much of time. So hop into it, working hard. It's a good time. Thanks for joining K-Dog Forge. Keep in touch or stay with us and we'll see what happens. Well, after a bunch of grinding, this is where we're sitting. Not too bad. It could be a very interesting little knife. Gotta work on this a little bit. Tighten it up some. And this one's looking pretty good. A lot lighter, spine's thinner. Gotta finish up some grinding and then heat treat. It's coming along. Check it out. Boom. Good looking knife. Happy with that one. Got it shaped up how I like it. It's gonna be a good looking knife. This is looking pretty good. Happy with that. Time to heat treat. It's gonna be a big heavy handle. Alright, got that one all tight. Messed up a little mess up here, but all fixable once I start grinding the final grind. So, still happy with that. Just gonna, when I do the heat treat here, I'm gonna bend this down a little bit, get the right angle. And this one is gonna be a straight up drop point hunter knife. Good to go right now. So, there you go, pretty simple. Small. I think I'm probably gonna put an antler on this one just for fun. Maybe this one too. So, stamp and heat treat. that is today's work. I'm tired. Long day. 4 blades forged. See on this one, it's gonna be a nice Simone line. Nice Simone line right through there. I don't know if you see it, but that looks cool. All right, yeah, gonna have a nice Simone line right along there. Yes, nice. Let's see the next one. You can see it forming up right along here. Hoping that works out too. Another nice Simone line. Oh yeah, that's gonna come out real nice. Look at that Simone. See that? Beautiful. You see right along this edge here, you see where the forge scale is popping off, and you got that gray color. I don't know if the light's right for it, but it's very, very gray, which tells me that it's a very nice hard line. I got the Simone line, so it's gonna be good. Good, 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 good. And last but not least, the straight up. I don't know if this is gonna have a Simone or not. That remains to be seen. But the edge is hard, and that's what matters the most. So check them all. Check them all. Oh, that's perfect. Nice high ring. Low, high ring. That's good. Ready for tempering. It's the only one that concerns me a little bit, but I see the Simone line, so it should be hard. Oh yeah, great. I know this is gonna be great. Oh yeah. Nice. And last but not least. Oh boy. That was super hard. Alright, so I call that 4 successes. At least 3 Simone lines. They're almost down to room temperature, so it's time to put them in the tempering oven and let this work out and get some handles done next week. Sweet. My 1 day off. I'm going to take off now. Take a shower, get cleaned up. Alright. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate anybody who ever joins the forge here at K-Dog Forge, although the dog's not here and it's about to rain. So it's been a great day, a long day, and I'm tired. Time to take a break. Peace.